So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mr. ASK and now you are watching my channel. So guys, around 3-4 months ago I uploaded a video on how to upload a thumbnail from your Android phone, and that video blew up like anything. I didn't expect that video to reach around 900 views, nearly to 1k views now. That's really insane and amazing. So as I had told in that video, if that video gets around 15-20 likes, I would make a video on how to make a thumbnail in your Android phone. So here it is guys. If you haven't watched that video, I will leave it here in the above I link where you can go watch it right now and come back to this video. So let's go guys. Guys, on how to make thumbnail, first go to Play Store and type what I'm gonna type here. That's called thumbnail maker. That's called thumbnail maker for YouTube, and install this app called Ultimate Thumbnail Maker for YouTube banner maker. So as I have already installed, it looks something like this, thumbnail maker. Press on that and go to create thumbnail. So there'll be ad of 10 seconds, like around 5 to 10 seconds minimum, called like ratio, size for FB, Insta, YouTube, Twitter. So we are doing it for YouTube, so thumbnail should be of 1280 into 720, like 1280 into 720p. So we'll click on that. There's a lot of options over here, like wall, blur, travel, birthday, bouquet, brick, cats. There'll be a lot of options over here as well, so I'm gonna pick this one. So once this comes, it's already in 1280p into 720p ratio, so press on the tick button. There will be another ad of 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Just go through that, and once you're done with the ad, you'll something like this will appear. So there will be like text, sticker, image, effect, background. Go to text, add any text you want, like I'm gonna add a thumbnail. So okay, once you have thumbnail, you can adjust it. You have got loads of fonts here to choose in. Like let me just choose this, and then there's colors. You can add any color you want. Then there's opacity, like that's the brightness of the text you want. So I'm gonna keep it full. Then come to shadow. Shadow is something that really brightens up the thumbnails. Like now see, there's a texture behind the thumbnail that looks really cool. Then there's outline, which makes thumbnail look perfect. Yeah, so then you can add few stickers. I wish you like subscribe. I want this sticker to be added, so I'll put it right over there. Yeah, then press on this button, the arrow mark. The thumbnail is downloaded, and the thumbnail looks something like this. So that's it for the video guys. If you like it, hit the like button. Let's reach 15 likes in this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and share my videos with all your friends and other members. Thank you guys for watching, and take care. Peace.